Hey, Mark here, dang good window cleaning here today. We're on a job site just using our water-fed pull system, as you can see here. This allows us to do window cleaning safely from the ground. We do have a fellow inside doing the interior windows as well. Oh boy, this pull-fed system is excellent. Before you'd have to climb ladders to get up to that level. That's no longer necessary here. This pure water system works extremely well, leaving the windows crystal clear, no streaks, no dots, no anything. Leaves them dang good, nice and clean. And we've got Aaron here on the pole, as you can see. He is one of our best window cleaners here at Dang Good, and doing a nice job here for this lady here today. Get her windows all nice and clean. We also did her carpet cleaning and furnace and duct cleaning here as well. And so yeah, we'll just do a little more video here of these windows. So we do a nice rinse after we scrub them, just to make sure all the dirt and debris and everything's off the window. Perfect day for window cleaning today here. And I don't know, it's about 20-25 degrees this morning. Perfect window cleaning weather. Again, he's giving that window a good clean there. We sure love the water-fed pull system. And boy, just like I said, does a great job, and very safe for us here and our employees and all of that. So we still do window cleaning with squeegees on certain windows, as they can't be done with the pull-fed system, but I'd say 90% of all of our windows these days are done with this method. And of course squeegee inside, but this is the best method for outside window cleaning. Gets all the trim and everything, as you can see there, nice and clean. So if you need some window cleaning here in Calgary, give us a call, 403-984-3680. We'd love to come and get you cleaned up. Again, dang good window cleaning.